Differences between percentage and percentile. Percentage versus percentile. Percentage is a number or rate that is expressed as a fraction of 100. For example, 50% is equivalent to 50 by 100 or 0.5, whereas percentile is a number that shows percentage of data points that are equal to or less than a certain value. Percentage is a way to express part of a whole as a fraction of 100 to represent the comparison in the form of ratio or proportion. Whereas percentile is statistical measure that express the relative position of a particular value in the whole database. Percentage calculation doesn't necessarily require sorting data, whereas percentiles are calculated based on sorting or ranking data. Data should be sorted in order to find percentile. The place value of a data, the rank order of number in dataset has no influence on percentage calculations. Whereas, the place value of a data, where a value stands in dataset, heavily influences the percentile calculations. Percentage is used to represent proportions in everyday life, whereas percentile is used to represent relative proportion of a value within dataset. Formula of percentage is equal to parts divided by whole and then multiply by 100. Whereas, formula of percentile is equal to parts number of values that below x, divided by total number of values and then multiply by 100. Example with solution of percentage. If Ali scored 70 marks in science, 67 marks in mathematics, 78 in English, 75 in social studies and 65 in Urdu, all out of 100, then what is his percentage for the first term for all subjects in total? Ali total score in 5 subjects are equal to 355. Total marks of 5 subjects are 500. By putting values in percentage formula, we get 71%. Therefore, Ali scored 71% in his first term examination. Whereas, example with solution of percentile. In a class of 10 students, the height is measured. The heights are 156, 145, 157, 148, 142, 140, 152, 139, 163, and 159 in centimeter. Using the percentile formula, find the percentile for the height 145 centimeter. Arranging the given data in ascending order. The number of heights below 145 centimeter are 3. By putting values in percentile formula, we get 30. Therefore, the percentile of height 145 centimeter is 30. Scoring 80% in a test would mean you got 80 out of 100 questions correct. Whereas, scoring 80th percentile would mean you got better than 80% of students who attended the test. Percentage is used for simple comparisons, whereas percentile is used for detailed information, useful for comparing data frequency distributions. Percentage is very common and popular for simple calculations and easy quantifiable measure, whereas percentile is not very common in everyday life as it requires complex calculations and sorting. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.